Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We have an exciting episode lined up where we'll be diving into a countdown of the top-selling pullers products on Amazon. These are the items that are making waves and capturing the attention of shoppers everywhere. Without further ado, let's go. Here we are, delving into our number 5 spot, the Lyle 56750 seal puller. This isn't just any seal puller. It's a versatile tool engineered specifically for the challenging task of removing oil and grease seals. With its universal fit, it's designed to tackle a variety of seal sizes, making it a must-have in any toolkit. Imagine this, the frustration of dealing with stubborn seals that just won't budge. It can be a real headache. But with the Lyle 56750, that headache becomes a thing of the past. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a dedicated DIYer, this puller is your reliable partner in conquering those tricky seals with ease. Crafted with precision, this tool ensures you get the job done right the first time. Its design aligns perfectly with the OEM standards of the vehicle parts it's meant to handle. And while it hails from China, it stands out in quality and performance. So, if you're tired of wrestling with seals and looking for a dependable solution, the Lyle 56750 seal puller might just be the game changer you need. It's not just a tool, it's a reliable ally for every seal removal challenge. At number 4 on our list, we have the powerhouse of bearing pullers, the Orion MotorTech bearing puller set. This toolkit is not just versatile, it's your ultimate solution for a wide array of pulling tasks. Whether you're dealing with large or small bearings, this set is built to handle it all, from front and rear wheel hub axle shafts to gears, pulleys, and steering wheels. Let's dive into the details. This all-in-one kit features 2 bearing separator jaws, 2 inches and 3 inches, along with a robust 6-inch yoke, a 614-inch forcing screw, and a variety of extension screws. There's no job too tough for the 4-4-inch and 4-5-inch extension screws, and the 2 412-inch L-type legs round out this comprehensive set. Why is this set so effective? It's all in the design. The knife-like taper of the jaws ensures a secure grip behind bearings, allowing you to tackle those challenging removals in tight spaces. Its 5-ton capacity means it's built to endure the toughest jobs, making it suitable for both professionals and home mechanics alike. Compatible with most vehicles, ATVs, and light trucks, this toolkit truly delivers. And durability? It's got that in spades. Constructed from heat-treated CRV steel and finished with black oxide, this pinion-bearing puller set stands up to corrosion and wear, ensuring long-term performance even under demanding conditions. In summary, the Orion MotorTech bearing puller set is a heavyweight champion in the world of bearing pullers. With its comprehensive set of tools and rugged construction, it's ready to tackle whatever challenge comes its way. Coming in at number 3, we've got a game changer for those tough towing jobs, the stainless steel assorted 5th wheel pin puller. This isn't just any pin puller, it's a 68-inch marvel that redefines what a tool can do. Let's talk about reach. At a whopping 68 inches, this puller offers a long reach that lets you handle those hard-to-reach pins with ease. Its chrome-plated finish not only gives it a sleek professional look, but also ensures it's built to last. The heavy-duty construction of this tool means it can handle the most demanding tasks, while the high-quality materials make maintenance a breeze. The design of the puller is where it truly shines. The long-reach hook is crafted from a robust blend of steel and aluminum alloy. This combination provides unparalleled strength and durability, ensuring you get the job done efficiently and effectively every time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated DIYer, this puller promises to make your work easier and more efficient. The stainless steel construction and chrome plating ensure that it stands up to heavy use while remaining easy to clean and maintain. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance pin puller that combines strength, durability, and ease of use, look no further than the stainless steel assorted 5th wheel pin puller. It's a tool designed to meet the highest standards and deliver exceptional results. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling pullers on Amazon? Well, don't let this moment slip through your fingers. Be sure to pull a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never bear the weight of missing out on our latest tool reviews. Sliding into the number 2 spot is a tool that's essential for any mechanical keyboard enthusiast, the Keycap Puller stainless steel key removal tool. This isn't just a tool, it's a game changer in keycap management. First, let's appreciate the ingenuity behind its design. With a clever 2-in-1 functionality, this keycap puller features a plastic handle and 2 sturdy steel loops. This dual-purpose tool excels not only as a keycap remover, but also as a switch puller. It's perfect for both routine maintenance and those unexpected repairs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic, this puller stands out for its reliability and longevity. Its compact, wire-style design is tailored specifically for mechanical keyboards, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Versatility is key with this puller. It's compatible with a wide range of mechanical keyboards, including Cherry MX, Alps, and Topra switches. However, it's worth noting that it's not suited for scissor-type switches, so keep that in mind. Ease of use is a hallmark of this tool. The flexible wires can bend outward to seamlessly fit around keycaps, making the removal process smooth and straightforward. Whether you're cleaning, repairing, or simply swapping out keycaps, this puller delivers efficiency and safety. In essence, the Keycap Puller stainless steel key removal tool is an indispensable accessory for anyone who takes their keyboard seriously. It combines creative design, robust materials, and versatility into one must-have tool, making keyboard maintenance and repair a breeze. At number 1 on our countdown, we present the ultimate tool set for tackling your toughest removal jobs, the Orion Motor Tech Gear Puller Set. This isn't just a set, it's the epitome of versatility and power, designed to handle a wide range of applications with ease. Let's break it down. This 3-jaw puller set is your go-to solution for everything from gear and bearing removal to crank pulley and flywheel extraction. It's adaptable to fit your wrench or ratchet, making it a truly universal tool that can tackle worn or broken parts without breaking a sweat. What sets this set apart? It includes 4 puller sizes, 3, 4, 6, and 8, each with impressive reach capabilities. You get maximum spreads of up to 8 inches and reach lengths up to 9.2 inches, covering nearly every pulling need you might encounter. Whether you're dealing with small or large components, this set has you covered. The 3-jaw design is engineered for precision. The reinforced jaws ensure a tight grip on your components, distributing pulling force evenly to prevent damage. And with reversible jaws, you can switch between pulling from the inside or outside, making these tools incredibly versatile. The 6 inches and 8 inches pullers even feature dual fixing holes, providing 4 distinct configurations for a secure grip. Durability? It's built into every inch of this toolkit. Drop-forged and heat-treated carbon steel construction, combined with corrosion-proof coatings, ensures that these pullers deliver unwavering strength and longevity. They're designed to withstand the rigors of any workshop and keep performing at their best. In summary, the Orion Motor Tech Gear Puller Set is the pinnacle of pulling tools. With its universal application, robust design, and unmatched durability, it's an essential addition to any mechanic's toolkit. If you're looking for a set that combines versatility, strength, and reliability, this is it.
We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling pullers on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.